feel like that's zoomed in enough. You already know what we about to get into, so let's get into it. I like this. This makes me look like a goddess of some sort. What do you guys want to talk about? What do you guys want to talk about? I don't know what to talk about. We can talk about me. We can talk about me. Whose channel is it? It's not annoying. Talk your stuff. I just been doing a lot of acting stuff during quarantine. Pretty much it. That's what I've been focusing on during quarantine. During quarantine. That's the acting. So something I'm very passionate about. Little 18-year-old me. I never really had it. I mean, besides dancing, I've never really had another passion. Like, performing has always been my passion. Okay, I'm already getting hot. I've been trying to act since I was 4. I just really like it. I mean, that's it. That's all. The video's over. No, but somebody always yelling every time I film a video. I feel like this video is gonna be a whole lot of me yelling over stuff, but that's okay. I don't know what I was about to say. Like, I have no idea what I was about to say. I'm so annoyed right now because I have no idea what I was about to say. Anyway, yeah, I love acting. I've been submitting for so much. Well, I'm lying. I have not been submitting for so much, but I've been submitting for everything that gets sent my way. I'm just using this little brush. This falls apart like every day. I feel like I'm about to look stupid because I just put so much concealer and it's like, you did need that much. You're doing a lot. But then I think about it, it's a glam look, you know? She's glam. Like, look at that. That honestly, stuff like this is what makes me angry. Cause like, I could have gone without. I am just happy. I was anxious the other day. I be acting like I don't be anxious all the time. But I do. I was literally anxious yesterday. But today I'm happy, so next caller. I like doing videos like this because I get to talk a lot and don't feel like I'm a burden on people. Because it's just me. I'm a beauty guru now. I don't know what else to say. I don't put thumbnails. I don't put titles on my videos now. I'm a beauty guru. Thank you. I just got white. It doesn't look that bad in person. Maybe I need to turn on the light because I can't. Oh, both lights are on. A little too much. You need to calm down. Almost there. So baby, don't you stop what you're doing right there. Ew, ew. The little box on, you know the little box that's on the G7X? It's like following me and I'm just trying to. I have a lot of throwback, let me stop. I have a lot of throwback songs that nobody knows any clue about, and I think that's gonna make me stop being my friends because it's like, who did you grow up around? And the fact that you grew up around people that didn't listen to music makes me like not trust you. Okay, look at this. So this is a lipstick, but I use it as contour because I don't know what else you want me to say. I just don't have contour. I always think about getting contour, but then I'm like, I really don't feel like it. Like, the last contour I had was the Fenty one, and until I see that one in person again, I'm not gonna feel like getting it until I'm thinking about it. But I'm never thinking about getting contour, so you know, it's a never-ending cycle of what. I'm trying to put this near my hairline, but I can't because these freaking clips. What type of music y'all like? I like Lemonade. I like Wingstop. I like Polo. I like Jordans. I like Michael Jordan. Honestly, sometimes you ever be thinking like, quick little boost of self, you ever be thinking like, dang, like some people that you really don't like are gonna see you like succeed and they're gonna like hate it because they were mean to you for no reason. I think about that all the time. Like, people that were mean to me for no reason, I'm like, dang, you're gonna be so mad. That's it. I know I'm not the only one. Who gave me the platform? Who gave you the right to set my family? She needs me. Are you the ghost of jealousy? That's literally me. Like, are you the ghost of jealousy, sis? Because you're gonna be so mad. I feel like since I only post occasionally, it seems as if I'm always gloating about myself. But it's just because I really be having the lowest lows, so I be having to pick myself up with the highest highs. It's called confidence. Every time I do a face full of makeup, my face still looks one-dimensional. Like, it just doesn't change. Like, it doesn't change. Okay, this is the moment you've been. Okay, I'm using this little palette that my mom got me. It's from Morphe. This way, that way. So this is how I get the smoky, glam 90s eye look. Taking this, I'm dipping it in the black color. Inside my last line is what I get, you know? Now I got 2 wide eyelids. So I do liner from MAC, and this is from Kaja. I'm not trying to extend that far. I'm just trying to extend it a little bit. This is my smallest brush, and as you can see, this don't always start off perfect, you know? She's a looker. She's not a looker till she's a looker. You see that? Oh my God, Becky. Look at her butt. Tunchi looking at my butt because I'm Becky, and Tunchi is looking at it. I think you have to mascara, and this is where it's gonna be like just layer, you know. But this is from Dior show. In class, they like say who has black eyes. Nobody in this world has black eyes. Okay, anyway, no one in this world has black eyes, but the kids will always be like, Aaliyah, and then they would say this other dude that was in my French class, and I just be like, okay, my eyes dark, but they not black. Calm down. I love that class though. It's fine. I didn't do good in it, but I liked it. I liked the teacher. She really believed in me. All my teachers was really there for me. Like, they rode for me. I feel like I look like Jenny Humphrey. I wonder if white people ever like I look like Beyonce. And is that like socially acceptable? I don't think it is. Oh, I always thought it wouldn't look good on me till I did this look the other day, and I was like, and just keep playing with this black at the bottom. I think I cried on this side, cause if I could have another career besides acting and performing and dancing and stuff, I would definitely choose makeup artist, cause this is fun. She is definitely becoming a looker. I know what the problem is, why I keep crying. I have no idea how to put mascara on this eye, and I keep poking myself in my like actual eye. I can be your Superman. Okay. All I have to say is, if you suffer from anything on your lips, please get this Cordobalm. Oh my God, Dr. Bonds, if I can't recommend anything else to people, I will recommend that. Bringing these little pieces up at the top.